In this video I will show you how to convert JPG files to WebP format both online and offline using the same software. So what we need to do, open a web browser and go to this web app called Squoosh.app, and this web app has been around for a long time and it is a very good tool to convert images to different formats. And all we need to do, drag and drop the image into this interface and then select WebP as the format. And in the left side you will see the details of the original image, and on the right you will see the details of the image after it was converted. And you can also use this slider to compare the original versus converted image. In the right side you will see a preview of image and what it will be look like after the conversion. And here it shows the size of the converted image and how much of percentage it will be reduced after the conversion. Also there is this option Lossless, and if you activate this option the image quality will be better but the file size will be higher. But for some images, when you select this option, actually it will produce a smaller file size, and that is for black and white images mostly and the images with fewer details. But for the most images you need to uncheck this option to have a smaller file size. So anyway, you can use this slider to view the image and what it will be look like after the conversion. And once you have made all the choices, you can click this download button to download your WebP image. And here we now have this WebP image converted by the Squoosh app. And also if you go to the home page of this website, there will be option to install this one to your computer, so you can use this offline as well. And after you install, you will find the start menu shortcut, and this one, and now you can start converting JPG file to WebP offline as well. So that's how we convert JPG files to WebP online and offline using the Squoosh.app.